Good morning students, Sister Clara here. This video is for standard 9th and 10th English medium for Carmel Convent School, Junagadh. Dear students, today let's begin the grammar portion. We shall start with a very basic grammar. In primary section already you have done it, so let's revise it quickly. And the topic is on the tenses. Tenses are very useful in all other topics on grammar, and if you don't know the tenses, you will not know any other topics in grammar. So pay attention and write down in your notebook. You will have to maintain a separate grammar notebook, and when the school reopens, I will be checking it. So tenses. When we say tenses, what do we mean? You see there the definitions. It denotes the form of a verb which shows the time at which an action was done. So the tense shows two things, the time of the action and the state expressed by the verb. In short, if anybody asks you what is tense, then you have to say that it shows time when the action was done, and therefore time and the action is very important to know in this tense when we learn the tenses. You know it already, the three tenses: present tense, past tense and the future tense. For example, let us understand present, past and future tense. You see three examples I have taken here. My mother cooks food. Second, my mother cooked food. And the third, my mother will cook food. You see why did I write in the red letter in the italics? You see cooks, cooked and cook, will cook. These are called verbs. What is verbs? I suppose you know it. Verbs are the action words or doing words. Here I have written cook, maybe play, singing, writing, eating. These all are called verbs. Action words are verbs. And so the verb cooks, the first sentence, it denotes to present tense and refers to present time. So it is the present tense. The second, cooked, it denotes to past tense and refers to past time, already over. Cooking is over. This action of cooking is over. And the third, will cook, it denotes to future tense and it refers to future time. And so three tenses we shall deal it in detail. Present tense, you see here. You see each tense is further divided into four parts. We will understand first with the present tense. You see simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. See here, simple present. What is simple present? I go. Then they play. She sings. It rains. Or she writes. My mother cooks. My father works. These all are known as simple present. These are habitual actions or regular some action is being done. We call simple present tense. Now same thing we change into present continuous. Present continuous is what? When the action is going on. Go to going. Play to playing. See, action is still going on. They are playing. Sings, singing. Rains, raining. Cooks, cooking. Works, working. Whatever. Writing. All these things you can add for present continuous. How to recognize or make present continuous? You see here. Either am or is or are plus present participle of the verb. That means present participle of the verb how to get? You just put ing to main verb and you will get the present continuous. You see either am, is or are. I go, I am going because it is singular. I. Therefore it is I am. They, naturally it will become are because it is plural they. She, again is, it is, and ing form of the main verb. We call present continuous. Then present perfect. Though it is perfect, but then action is just over. It's not many days over, okay? Maybe just recently, few hours or few minutes work is over. That's why I call perfect, present perfect verb. Tense. I have gone. They have played. She has sung. It has rained. You notice here, have and has. Many times students make mistake when to use have and when to use has. You see I have written there, I have, we have, they have. Okay, I, we and they, we have to use have. He, she and it has. He has, she has, it has. Okay. Plus past perfect of the verb, past participle of the verb, you see, gone, go to gone, play to played, sings to sung, rains to rained. And I have gone, they have played, she has sung, it has rained. Okay. Let's move on to present perfect continuous. What is present perfect continuous? Action has started sometimes back and it is still continuing. We call present perfect continuous. I have been going, they have been playing, she has been singing, it has been raining. You see the rule here, has or have. I told you here how when to use has and have. Okay, has or have, plus here it is been, everywhere been, B-E-E-N, been, plus present participle of the verb. Present participle of the verb means ing form you put and you get the present participle of the verb. I hope you have understood how to change from simple present to present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Let's move on to past tense. Past tense also there are 4 parts: simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Okay. Now you see here, go to went is the simple past. Then again, they played, I went, she sang, it rained. How do we make simple past? By using the past tense of the verb. Go to went, play to played, sing to sang, rain to rained. It is called simple past. Now past continuous. Past continuous means in the past action was going on. Okay, that's the past continuous. Past continuous, I go, it will become I was going. They played, they were playing. She was singing, it was raining. This is called past continuous. Was or were plus present participle of the verb. That means ing form to the main verb, you get the past continuous. Then past perfect, here you see past perfect. I had gone, they had played, she had sung, it had rained. All had. Here you don't have to get confused because in present perfect have or has. Here past perfect only had. So there is no question of getting confused. I, we, she, they, it, everywhere you have to use only had. Then past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, you see I had plus been everywhere. I had been going, they had been playing, she had been singing, it had been raining. Okay, had plus been plus ing form of the main verb, we get past perfect continuous. I hope it is clear for you. We will move into future tense. Okay, one second, excuse me. This future tense, you see again, simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. How do we get simple future tense? Usually by using shall or will to express future time. I will go, they will play, she will sing, it will rain, we shall play. These are called simple future tense. Now future continuous. Future continuous, here I have it written, you see, either shall or will plus be, it becomes the plus ing form of the verb. It will become future continuous. I will be going, they will be playing, she will be singing, it will be raining. This is called your future continuous. Will or shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. Okay. Then future perfect. Future perfect action is going to be in the future. Okay, I shall have gone, they will have played, she will have sung, it will have rained. Here you see the rule is future perfect is shall or will plus have plus past participle of the verb ed or en. En it is gone, write or will be written. Okay, play to played, rain to rained. This is the future perfect. Let's move on to future perfect continuous. I will go, it will change into I shall have been going, they will have been playing, she will have been singing and it will have been raining. See, shall or will plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb and you get future perfect continuous. I hope this much is ready. And next is your Now, shall or will. When to use shall and when to use will, you see. Shall is used with the second and third person to express determination, promise, intention or suggestion. For example, you shall get a reward if you win the race. It's a promise. You shall get a reward, okay. Shall I close the door? It's an suggestion. You are giving suggestion. Shall I close the door? We shall complete our homework. It's a determination. We are determined. We shall complete our homework. Will. When to use will? It is used with first person to express willingness or determination and so on. You see, I will do it myself. I will help you. You see, the willingness. I will do it myself is a determination. I will face the challenges. Again, is a determination. So, when to use shall and will, learn it. And next is your homework page. Okay, you will have to either you make these 4 columns or you write in your notebook as you want, but you have to make it in 4. Okay, 4 column better you make. Simple present tense first, then simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. I have given you in each column one example. You will have to fill it another 3 columns. What will be the answer? For example, she cries is a simple present. You will have to write down for present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. She cries. What will happen? They are dancing is a present continuous. Other form you will have to write. I have worked is a present perfect. Other 3 column you have to fill. He has been eating. Other 3 columns you have to write. Hope you have understood. Next is your past tense. Same thing. You see, I have given here she wept, simple past. They were eating, past continuous. He had written is a past perfect. I had been reading is the past perfect continuous. So you will have to fill the blanks. Okay, 3 forms you have to find out. Same thing with the future tense also. I hope you have understood the tenses. I have quickly revised it. I call it revision because you have done it and it is very basic grammar. Okay. Thank you, students.